Let me take you a walk round Burnham Market in Norfolk. This is the place to go when you're in Norfolk. I would recommend you parking just outside and then you can experience the walk in, because look at this church, absolutely stunning. All the properties are so beautiful. Everybody takes such pride in them and they are just absolutely charming. I don't think I've been to a prettier town in all my days. I loved it. These cottages and homes are divine. There are a lot of Airbnbs and a lot of wealthy owners here, I think. Independent shops and beautiful boutiques and places to relax and have a coffee. Unfortunately, the river had pretty much dried up because it was so warm this bank holiday. They tend to sell things as ridiculously different as hardware and designer dresses. So really it's a very eclectic mix of shops. You go down these little alleyways and there's further shops and beauty salons and everything, but just such a relaxing, peaceful environment to be in. Last time I came, Norfolk Living was closing, but this time, guess what? I managed to drink outside a beautiful chai latte and a gluten-free cake, and I was in heaven, talking to a lovely couple as well, and it was so nice to hear of their travel plans. You really will have a great time when you come to Burnham Market. It's just beautiful and just so calm. Look at all this space as well. This is at the back at the car park. Would you believe these beautiful properties are at the back of a car park? Public conveniences there as well. So plenty of room to park up and enjoy. But as I said, walk through, you'll really get the most out of it. We happened to go to Jules. Oh dear, there was a sale on my poor credit card. The other thing you will find here is a lovely antique shop. I really loved it. And some of the shops, wow, they go way back. The fruit and veg shop was a lovely gift shop right at the back, and I hadn't been in it before, and I was so glad I did. They were so kind, and they had some most beautiful baskets upstairs, so you must visit that. What a pity there was no water in the river, but the dog walkers enjoyed it. Everybody sits out in pubs and coffee shops and just relax and take in the atmosphere. You really must do it, especially if you're local in Holcombe or in Wells next to the sea or Cromer. It's not far and it should be on your list. Look at these properties, absolutely to die for, and so many letting agencies around. So if you want to stay, it's a great central spot and you can people watch as well. I think it's time for us to head back now. So we're going to just pass these beautiful cottages and head back to the car. Of course, it had come on to rain. That's the UK for you. Boiling hot 1 minute and raining the next. It won't dampen our spirits though. Just passing the chapel on the left and one last glance back. We can all dream, can't we? And see you next time, Burnham Market. Please like, comment and subscribe and come back for more. Thank you for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed that trip. Bye.